Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial of Codeigniter short series. As in the last lecture we left here, we were creating the users array, and we actually learned about the views in the last lecture. If you did not see, please check my last video. So in this video I will be doing all this stuff that we did in the controller in the models. As I said that doing logic or business logical code in the controllers is not a good way, so we need to do all this stuff in the models, and controllers are just used for loading data from models and linking the views. So we will make our controllers thin and our models fat. So let's do it. Create our first model. So here we go in the model and create a new file, simple PHP file, and the user model. So we will say user model, simply a class as we did in controller. User model which extends the CI model class, CI model class. So here we create all the logic where we will actually connect with it to the database, but I thought that we first do an introduction to the models, and then we will go create the database and do all the database stuff. So here we are using the same dummy data we did in the previous video, but we are creating models. So public function get users is a method which we will use, and we will just copy paste all the code here and just see, and we will put it here. So what this is doing, it is creating a users array which we used in the last video. So now what we will do, we will just return users array simply. So what we have to do it here now. Now we need the users that we created in the model. We need it here. So first of all we have to load model. So how we load model? Simply as we load views, but name as model. This load model. For views we have this load view. So we have name of our model is user model, and like this user model. And now we need to call the function this user model, and the function name we created is get users. So copy it, paste it, get users. So as we know, get users is returning array, so we will save it here, users. So now we have actually, I will load model and get users from method. So this is returning get users, method is returning users, so we will save it here. And now users will be saved to data users, and we are sending this data to view. So let's see, here we go, we get the same output because we are now getting the data from models. So that's it for now. In the next tutorial I will be doing on database connecting tables and connecting Codeigniter with database. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment if you have any issues. See you in other video.